welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with a new unit. This one is going to be from Sensational and it's the Dashly Unit 20. This is in the color number 2. So here's what the stock card for her is looking like. And this one is going to be available in 5 special colors. So for the construction on this one, you guys, this is going to be a full wig. So you are going to get those 2 combs. It has a little faux parting space that you can see right here. That's going to be in the center to make it look a little bit more realistic. It's going to come with a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps. And this one was made on a mesh wig cap. So here's what it's looking like on the wig head. And like I said, it's a full wig, so there's not going to be too much that you need to do on this one. But something to keep in mind, you guys, she is not going to be a throw on and go. I'm just showing you here. It is a full wig. There is no lace. You just plop this on your head and you style it to your liking. But honey, the styling for this one was a bit much for me because you absolutely do have to make it work for yourself. I'm calling this the elevated auntie hair because that's what it was giving me. It was cute, but it was very much still giving elevated auntie hair. So as you can see right here, I'm just plopping it on my head and getting installed, and my face was just like, girl, what do we have going on here? The stock card for her was giving me everything that I needed, honey. As soon as I seen the stock card picture, I was like, I need that wig. I need it. And you know, this is my fault because I said before I'm not gonna try another full wig. And honey, after this, I really am never trying another full wig again. It's just not for me. I just feel like I need some sort of lace to finesse it to my liking and make it look more realistic. I absolutely was able to make this one work for myself, but like I said, it was work, honey. I think if there was some lace, I would have been able to finesse it quicker and better. But you know, I had to do what I had to do. But yeah, after this, honey, I promise you, I'm not gonna be grabbing me another full wig. I don't care how cute the model is. It's just not for me. Some of you girls could rock it and make it look absolutely beautiful, of course, but I don't know, when it comes to these full wigs, it's just not for me. I mean, I love the fact that it's minimal work. You don't have to deal with cutting the lace off or anything like that, but it's just something about having a little bit of lace to work with that makes me feel a little bit more secure, like I can finesse it more and make it look more realistic. So right now, I'm just gonna go in with my The Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's, and I'm going in with the color Yodit. And I'm just gonna add that into this little parting space right here. Like I said, they put this so it looks a little bit more realistic, so it looks like you've got a little bit of scalp action. And as you can see, I'm just kind of like fussing with the bang area. I don't really think I've tried many curly bang units, so I was just fussing around with it a little bit. It was a little bit of work for me to get the look that I was going for. These curls are really, really pretty, but I just wanted to comb them out and make them look a little more natural because it is giving very much wand curl. Now the texture on this unit is going to be definitely like a soft yaggy, which I did like. I did not feel like a hint of silkiness or anything in it, so I did like that. As you can see, the more that you comb it out, I'm using my wide tooth comb, you are going to get some of that frizziness, but I do feel like that helps add to the realism of the unit. And you can see, honey, I was just trying my hardest. I was like, girl, I have to make this work, because like if she could look like that on a stock card, like there could be something that I could do to get it together for myself. And eventually I feel like I did get it together for myself, you know, fussing around with the bangs again, trying to get them situated for the way that I like it. I was trying to give SZA vibes. It didn't take me all the way there, but you know, it took me almost all the way there. So as far as the density on this one, you guys, you could see it's going to be a good amount of hair. Without the curls combed out, it was sitting at like 150% density. And now with them combed out a bit, you could see it's growing. It's probably going to be giving you like 150 to 180%. 180% definitely when you start combing these curls out. And I definitely would say that this is going to be a beginner-friendly wig just because, like I said, you're going to make it work for yourself. I do not see this one working for you if you just want to pop it on your head and go out the door. It's going to be looking a little crazy and it's going to be looking a little bit wiggy, especially if you don't at least try to mess with the bangs a little bit, because it will look a little bit wiggy, honey. So I wouldn't say it's completely beginner-friendly, but the fact that you don't have to deal with cutting lace off or anything like that, it definitely does give you some flexibility there. So if you're comfortable with kind of combing the curls out and playing around with the hair just to get your desired look, then I definitely would say go ahead and pick this one up and try it out, honey, especially because at a price point of $15, you really can't go too wrong. That price point is hitting it for me. And like I said, I think I was able to make it work for myself. I wanted to give you guys a couple of different styles with this one, just so you don't feel like you're restricted to only wearing it as it comes. You can kind of do a little ponytail half up, half down style with this one. And as a side note, honey, I did try to do my whole my ponytail clip up look with this one, but honey, it just was not. It wasn't working. If the bangs were straight, I probably could get away with doing a ponytail clip up look, but honey, it just looked a little bit crazy, so I'm not even gonna show you that on camera, because honey, I was like, what am I doing here? But yeah, you guys, so this one's gonna be a super short review, just because like I said, I didn't have to deal with cutting any lace off, doing any baby hairs, anything like that. This literally was it. So pretty much all you have to focus on is just manipulating the curls and the bangs to your liking. So when it comes to my cons and pros of this unit, can't really say too many cons that I have. I mean, I knew what I was getting myself into. It's a full wig, so you gotta make it do what it do. Yeah, so I really don't have any cons, honestly. So when it comes to my pros on it, I feel like the texture is really beautiful. The density is nice. The curls are really beautiful. If you're somebody who likes this look, and if you're somebody who likes full wigs, then I definitely would say you could pick this one up. You won't be disappointed, honey. Especially for the price point, I was here for that. Is this one that I would grab again? Absolutely not. Just because like I told you guys, I will not be doing full wigs again. But I am happy that I tried it out just so I could see for myself if it was worth the hype that I put up about it in my own head, and not so much. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.